Alright, hello YouTube. Welcome back to a Thursday edition of Pinball. We're in the Slot Shot Pinball Ultimate. And it's a little chilly in here, I don't know if you can see. Probably can't see it. I'm breathing smoke. If it looks like I'm playing in a steam bath, I got my blue cup, drinking some tea. It looks like it's hotter than it is probably because it's so cold in here. I would tell you how cold it is, but it's below 32 because the thermometer up there just says it's below. That means it's below 32. I do have a little heater sitting right here, so my left leg is toasty warm. The rest of me, not so much. So let's do this. I'm going to do these two here, Ocean Breeze and Dream World. That's what we're going to do in this video. I have not played them yet. I wonder if I should have done this Outer Galactic Aliens when I did these three. Because I don't know, I didn't do it yet. Maybe it'll get its own exclusive video, but I've already decided. I'm doing Ocean Breeze. Playing with the mighty Xbox controller. Dracula smacking you. Yeah, my left leg is getting toasty. Well, if I hold the controller down here, it'll warm up my hands. Let's take a look at this table. Palm trees. What is that? A shark underneath the... Yeah, a shark eating my balls. Jet ski up there moving back and forth. Is that the skill shot? Alright, so let's do this. View 3, so that's good. I like how it puts my Off-Grid Arcade logo up there on its own. All the way, where is it? That way. Way up in the top. Of course, it's hard to see on there because it's tiny. But let's see. Please don't feed the sharks. That's my goal. Well, I don't know. There's a shark in that one loop. I don't know. Okay, that was not hard enough to get up there. Oh, skill shot. That left ramp. Ah, I missed it.
Unacceptable.
Okay. I thought the skill shot was going to be... Oh. Okay, there's that shark. I did not get it. There's something under that flipper. Oh, that was a great flip.
Salty.
Salty.
Fabulous shot.
Well, I don't know what just happened. Got gate open again. Okay, let me see. Got the shark in the face. No! I should have caught the... Okay, so that's the skill shot there. Let's see if I do a full plunge. What happens? Where's the ball go? Holy smokes. I'm guessing there's bumpers up there.
Unacceptable.
That's a hard skill shot. I mean, it might be easy once you learn the table. Oh, no! Let's see. Oh! God, I forget where that comes out every time. Unacceptable. Oh no! I tried to dead flip it over. Doesn't dead flip so good. 1.3 million. Okay, I'll go ahead and upload it. I don't want to look at it though. I just want to start a new game. there's a flipper over there. I did not know that.
Unacceptable.
Oh, I know it's unacceptable, but I was learning about a new flipper. Whew. Man, it comes out of there fast. Shark face. Oh, I missed the shark face. Got it that time, on accident, but oh, there, I finally got it up that skill shot ramp. Let's see. No. Oh, that was an accident, but... Where's the shark face at when I need it? What did I get? Yeah, I've sure made everything go biddle-diddle-diddle-diddle. That's a technical term. Those you don't play a lot of pinball won't understand it. God bless. Maybe that's the trick
Unacceptable.
on the launch. Okay, shark face. Missed it. Backhand shark face. Missed it. Just gonna go down this one.
Perfect aim.
Whoa! I didn't know there was an outlane over there. Oh, keep the flipper down, you dumb. You big dummy. What was my last score? 1.7? Hopefully I can beat that. I'm going to try this theory. Hold that flipper. Pass it over there. Was there a ball save? There was no ball save! Oh no! Oh no! 1.7, just barely. Alright, we'll do one more. I can't believe I did that. That's a tough shot. I almost did it again. You see that? If you didn't see it, what the heck were you watching?
Unacceptable.
Oh, I got the shark face. Oh no! $450,000 for what? Easy breezy? Is that what it says? Sound like a little James Gunn there, huh? Don't feed the sharks. I'm trying to hit that shark in the face. Oh, I missed it. Which side? Ha ha ha! Just a little. Too cold.
Unacceptable.
Okay, what am I shooting for? Let's see if I can get that right ramp with the swordfish. Yeah, that one. I haven't figured out the slot machine aspect of this game. That was a power flip right there. Gate is open. Gate to what? Oh no! Gate to what? I want to salty. I want to get those dive lights lit again because that's like James Gunn. Okay, so that ramp is. Come here, shark! Oh, you little. Okay, that ramp is up. I missed. No! Yeah, it doesn't dead flip across those very good. Pass it over. Oh, the ramp's not up anymore. Skill shot's still there. Unacceptable. I've only hit it up that. Oh, there, I got that. Oh, you son of a biscuit eater. 1.9. Upload score. View rank. 1.9583. 32. 30 seconds. That's not bad. That's not bad. That's a cool table. I do like it. I don't know what I'm doing so good that there's some things on here I never saw. I don't know what that ramp would have got me if I got it up that ramp. Would that have shot it into that beach house up there? You got all those squiggles up there. I don't know how to get to any of that stuff. But, yeah, that's why you learn. Oh. And let's try Dream World. Still low in here. It's not even up to 32 yet. Looks like it's going to be a sunny day though. What is this Candyland looking mother? Oh, my left leg's on fire. A little doo-woppy song going. Those candies look kind of pissed, those Candymans. Alright. Hey, there goes a train. Choo-choo! That's awesome. That is awesome. Where's the skill shot? Skill shot is blinking. Little soft plunge. Oh, okay. I'll drain plunge. I'm guessing the skill shot is to get up that ramp off of the... Oh man, I thought it was going to come back down. I didn't think I hit it hard enough. I don't know what's up there. Spin is lit in there. Boy, that's a tight shot. There's spin. Look at that. Got me a whole lot of nutting. Okay, Dream is off to the left. If I hit it behind that flipper. Oh! I thought that was a good shot. Dang it. Trying to get that last music note lit. I'm just a second too late every time. Oh my gosh. Should know. Dang it, I went the wrong way. Spin is lit again, I see. Spin is still lit. I don't think I can backhand it up there. I don't think it'll be the right angle. Okay, one more try. Okay, we'll go back to this way. There we go. Cupcake, cupcake. 2 cupcakes, but not in a row. Okay, did I get them all? I got all the notes lit. Now what? Hit that note. Spinner note 17 times. Oh, there's a bird running around. Where'd he go now? Wow, this is a high scoring table. Skill shot fail. Big surprise there. Wow. Oh, look at my camera. Fucker. How long has it been doing that? I mean, that's the skill shot. Just... Now I'm all bummed because of my camera. I don't know how long it's been doing that. Oh, I switched in. I didn't have to. Oh, I got the spin lit. Oh, come on. Oh, there went that bird. Come here, ostrich. I wonder if I should have lifted that left flipper when it went around there. I wonder if it would have went in that dream hole. 880,000. I didn't even get a million for some reason. I don't feel like that's a great game. And I feel like I'm getting worse. I feel like my best ball was my first ball. Yeah, I keep forgetting to... No! I keep forgetting to release, hold that flipper in. I did it that time and it didn't even go around there. There went the train. Okay, I got all of them lit. Now what? There's the pigeon. I know it's not a pigeon. It's an ostrich. That's me. Cake. That should be worth something. Cupcakes are cake-ish. I mean, it's a cupcake, right? Okay, now what happened? Let's bonus hurry up. Oh, right there. Ah, I missed it. Am I on ball 3? I am. So maybe that 800 was a good score. Oh, so close. Dang it. Dun, 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 dun. No need to upload that score. It's less than my last one. Alright, one more. Skill shot. Gotta get this skill shot. God, it's hard to time it. I got it in that dream. I have yet to hit it. Into that. Oh, come on, you. Okay, where's the chicken? Chicken doesn't come out when you get all the... No? Just like the spinner. I got a couple of spins anyway. My goodness. I'm not hitting anything with any power. This is a low-scoring game. I can't get control of it on my left flipper to try to... Trying to hit that dang... Okay, let's see what happens if I soft punch. It still goes over there like Mach 6. Oh, there's the pigeon. That sounds like a video game. Oh, I got the other ramp. Okay, here we go. Drop back down. You son of a... Ah, that was my chance. Oh, that's up to where that bonus was. This song kind of sounds like Earth Angel. Of course, that changed. Come on. Well, I got two things. Hey, look at that. I got like 2 million. I am a pro at this table. Oh, that's a good grip. Still need 10 hits on it. No! That might have been 10 hits. Alright, let's see what my rank is. What did I get? 2.2 million. 23rd. Oh man. TTV happy like pies. Well, I don't know. I don't know how many people have played this, so Is 23 good, or I know there's 30 something because that's where I was before. Oh no, look, I had 800,000, so I was 26. I only moved up 3 spots, 2, yeah. I almost had you banned Talau. I wanted to get D-Stomp. D-Stomp's who I was gunning for. But instead, I got D-Stomped. Alright, so there you go. Let's quit this. And watch for a special episode that will be dedicated to outer galactic aliens. Then I'm going to do... I'll probably do one with this Neon Knights Original, Neon Knights 2, and Neon Knights Ultra. That'll be a video. Probably next Thursday. I'll do the 3 of those. So in between, maybe I'll do this in Outer Galactic Aliens and this Super Vixel Land. Not that they really go together. Maybe those will be just, maybe they'll just be squeezed in somewhere. I'll just play them. Yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching. 26 minutes if you're still here. If you already left, then that's okay. I never liked you anyway. They won't hear it, see, because they didn't watch this one. Put a little bit of honey in my tea today. Good stuff. Good stuff. Catch you on the next one. Peace!